This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Qatayef with cream. First, let's prepare the batter. Whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 3/4 cups of warm water. Don't forget to add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth, then let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. Then, cook small portions on a hot, non-stick griddle until bubbles form and the top dries. Next, let's create the luscious cream filling. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of liquid whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until it thickens and begins to bubble. Once it reaches the desired consistency, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of rose water and 1 tablespoon of flower water for that authentic aroma. It's crucial to let this cream cool completely before you use it. Now for the fun part, assembling and frying your Qatayef. Take one of your cooled Qatayef pancakes and gently pinch one end closed, creating a small cone shape. Carefully spoon about 1 tablespoon of your chilled cream mixture into the open end. Then, firmly press the remaining edges together to seal the Qatayef, forming a perfect half-moon. Heat oil to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then fry these delightful pastries until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, let's prepare the sweet syrup and serve these treats. Combine 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil and simmer for 10 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water and let it cool completely. Immediately after frying, dip the hot Qatayef into the cooled syrup for about 30 seconds. Arrange them on a platter, garnish with crushed pistachios, and serve warm for an unforgettable dessert experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.